Elite CAT7A Shielded Riser CMR Review, the Ethernet cable that ends interference. You finally sit down to finish something important, a video call, a large file transfer, a live stream, and your connection stutters right at the worst possible moment. That hollow silence before the reconnect screen appears, that grinding frustration of watching a progress bar stall at 94%. And here's the thing, you have already rebooted the router, switched ports, even upgraded your internet plan. Nothing stuck. For home lab builders, IT professionals, and serious network enthusiasts, the real culprit is almost never the router itself. It is the cable running silently through your walls, picking up interference from every electrical wire nearby, quietly strangling the actual speed you are paying for every single month. Sound familiar? Drop a comment below if a bad connection has let you down at the worst moment. The problem runs a lot deeper than one frustrating connection day. Every hour your network underperforms is an hour of quietly compounding losses. Missed video frames during client calls, sluggish file transfers that stretch a 10-minute task into 40, surveillance cameras dropping feeds at exactly the moment reliability matters most. And the longer you run lower-grade cable through your walls, the harder and more expensive the fix becomes later, because the cable is already buried inside finished walls. You swap out the router, you upgrade the switch, you troubleshoot every setting twice with nothing to show for it. But if the cable itself can't handle the frequency load or bleeds signal under electromagnetic pressure, none of that upstream effort. Then everything changed the moment I stopped patching surface-level symptoms and looked at the actual network foundation instead. Here is what finally worked. The Elite CAT7A Shielded Riser CMR Ethernet cable 1,000-foot reel. And it made the kind of difference you feel immediately in real everyday performance. Before you commit to anything, though, hear this first. Don't just pick any bulk Ethernet cable. Make sure it has true SFTP double shielding so you never suffer from crosstalk interference silently corrupting your signal inside bundled cable runs again. The Elite CAT7A delivers exactly that. Solid, pure bare copper conductors, 1,000 megahertz bandwidth, and a CMR riser rating purpose-built for professional in-wall installations. This is the cable that stops the guessing game for good. What the Elite CAT7A Shielded Riser CMR actually delivers day-to-day is genuinely impressive. The SFTP double shielding, individual foil wrap on each twisted pair, plus an overall tinned copper braid, means you can bundle multiple runs together without crosstalk silently degrading your signal. The 23 AWG solid pure bare copper conductors, not the cheaper copper-clad aluminum found in budget cables, maintain clean signal integrity across the entire 1,000-foot reel. The CMR riser rating delivers in-wall and between-floor installation confidence, backed by a flame-retardant PVC jacket that satisfies real building safety codes. And here is the thing. It fully supports PoE, PoE+, and PoE++ under IEEE 802.3AF and IEEE 802.3AT standards. So your cameras, access points, and VoIP phones all run cleanly off the same line. One verified installer reported pulling hundreds of feet through tight wall cavities without a single tangle, crediting the Easy Pull wooden reel design for saving significant setup time. Technical analysis from STL Tech independently confirms the 1,000 megahertz bandwidth delivers theoretically 6 times the raw performance headroom of standard Cat6. Are you still relying on a cable category that was simply never designed for what you are asking it to handle today? The Elite CAT7A Shielded Riser CMR Ethernet cable turns a frustrating, interference-prone network foundation into something clean, stable, and genuinely reliable for years ahead. Thousands of professional installers and serious home network builders are already running it confidently through walls, ceilings, and between floors on real projects. If you are ready to stop troubleshooting and start actually trusting your infrastructure, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment below. I earn a small commission at absolutely no extra cost to you. No pressure at all. If it fits your build, I think you will be genuinely glad you made the switch.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.